Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yeah.
Hello? Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so let's start. So have you all tried converting the expression to octal? Have you tried? Everybody? So now if I show you an expression, you can convert to octal? What do you say?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, then we'll see. We'll start my EC2 instance. Okay, guys, you can see my screen, right? Like the okay expressions and all is visible, right? Yes or no?
Ma'am. No.
Visible alla.
Visible alla?
Not visible.
One second. What about now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Visible on.
Visible. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Coding is start title. Okay. Okay. So can anybody tell me what is the expression of April? There's a folder directory known as April, right? What is the expression of April? File permission expression. RWX, R-X, R-X. You can see, right? Yes or no? Can you see?
Yeah.
Yes. Can you convert this into octal?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you convert this into octal, what will be the octal number? Please take a pen and paper. Okay. And write down 7.
1.
711 ആണോ?
അല്ല 421 അല്ല വരിക.
742 ആണോ?
അതല്ല ഫസ്റ്റ് 1 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് R എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 4 പിന്നെ W എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 2 X 1 ഉണ്ട്.
Yes. എന്തായിരിക്കും?
755.
755. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, now look at AWS. Okay, what is the file permission of that in octal?
Same and 755.
Same. What about DIR?
655.
655. Right. What about F1?
777.
F2?
622.
622 ആണോ?
അല്ല 627.
644, right?
Okay. 64.
What about F3?
647.
47 ആണോ? How much you said?
647.
647. Yes, correct. Okay, what about fruits?
550.
550. What about hello?
541.
541. What about Kannur?
155.
755, right? Okay. So still, is there anybody who is still have not understood this converting expression to octal? Anybody? Gauri, is it clear for you?
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Mars, you got it. Basil, I don't know who and all
Yeah,
is answered, so I'm asking individually. Basil, you got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what about Yedu, Midul, Mars, Sabrina, everybody? No confusion in this, right?
Yes, sir.
11.
Okay, fine, great. Okay. Okay, now you know how to convert from an expression to octal. Okay, now can we do the opposite? Yeah, can we try? Okay. Gauri, have you got time to watch the videos? Have you gone through it?
Yes, ma'am. I did.
Okay, you understood the topic, right? What we discussed?
Yes, I did.
Okay, great. Okay. Okay, fine. So now let's go reverse. Okay. Let's say I have an octal expression saying that 656. Now I want you to put this into expression. This is what I want to do. Okay, let's break down. Okay, let's break down. So first one is 6. Second one is 5. Third one is 6, right? Okay. Now, when you check, okay, I'll put in the bracket, okay, everybody. When you check 4, 2, and 1, which of this combination is going to give you 6? Is it 4 plus 2 or 4 plus 1 or 2 plus 1?
4 and 2. 4 and 2.
4 and 2,
4 and
right?
2.
4 plus 2, correct? Okay, obviously. So you can break that down, right? So it is 4 plus 2 plus 0. That is what exactly 6 is. So can you break down for same for 5?
4 plus 0 plus 1.
0 plus
1.
1. What about this again?
4 plus 2 plus 0.
4 plus 2 plus 0. Okay, so we are going in reverse, everybody. Okay, and now you know. Now you know 4 means which expression? Sorry, which permission?
Read.
Read. 2 means
Right.
write. 0 means
And 1. Hyphen.
hyphen. Okay, now look at this. Okay, look at 401. What is that 401? R hyphen X. Right. Now 420 meaning R W hyphen. Okay, so 656 can be written as R W hyphen R hyphen X R W hyphen. Understood? Okay. Let's try some more, okay, so that you will be able to get into this picture. So tell me this one. Okay, see, let's say I want to write 2. How will you write 2? Let's say 200. Okay, how are you gonna write 2? 2 means what?
Right.
2?
Right.
Right. Okay. So what is the position of, so when you write RWX, what is the position of W?
Middle.
In the middle, right? So here they are saying that 2 means only W. So what will happen in place of X and R?
Hyphen.
Hyphen. So how will you write 2? You will write 2 like this. Okay, fine. How will you write 4?
R hyphen hyphen.
R hyphen hyphen. How will you write 1?
hyphen hyphen
Hyphen hyphen X. How will you write 0?
hyphen hyphen hyphen.
Hyphen hyphen hyphen. Okay, so please keep that in your mind, okay? Look at the position. See, when you have only right access, then the permission will be hyphen WX. Okay, because the position matters. So when you write RWX, R will always be at the first, W will always be in the middle, X will always be in the last. Okay, in the third bit. It will never change. Will it be like this? X, W, R? No. There is no chance that one of the categories permission go like this. No, there is no chance. It will always be RWX. Okay, so if W permission is not there, what do? Will you be writing like this? No, you need to mention R-X because you are indicating that W permission is not there. If you are writing like this is wrong. Entirely removing that area is wrong. Okay, now the position of the X is changed to 2, right? No, that should not happen. The position of the X should be on the third. Position of the R should be on the left. So sorry, the first. And the W should be in the middle. So keep this in your mind, okay? Fine. So how will you write 200, everybody? Hyphen W hyphen becomes 0, right? Sorry, becomes 2. Then how will you write 0, 0?
Hyphen 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 hyphen.
Yes, hyphen hyphen hyphen. So if you want to avoid confusion, I'll put a bracket. Okay. Hyphen hyphen hyphen. You guys understanding? 200? Yeah. Now tell me this one. 421. How will you write this into expression?
R hyphen hyphen.
Okay.
Then hyphen
Mm.
W
Mm.
hyphen
Mm.
hyphen hyphen X.
Hyphen hyphen X. Can you see that? Okay. Now 1, 2, 4.
Hyphen hyphen X.
Hyphen hyphen X.
Hyphen W hyphen
Hyphen W hyphen.
R hyphen hyphen.
Exactly. Okay, you got it. Yes. Okay. Again. 1, 4, 2.
Hyphen hyphen X.
Hyphen hyphen X.
R hyphen hyphen.
R hyphen hyphen.
Hyphen W hyphen.
Hyphen W hyphen. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. Now 600.
RW hyphen
Yes,
hyphen 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 hyphen.
exactly. Now 111.
Hyphen hyphen X hyphen
Mm.
hyphen X hyphen hyphen X.
Exactly. 333.
Hyphen W X
Mm.
hyphen W X hyphen W X.
Exactly. What about 777?
RWS.
Full permission, right? Okay. So can anybody tell me? I'm telling you that I want to make one of my file read only. Read only for everyone. Okay. So how will be the expression? How will be the octal then? Read only. For every category, read only.
4,
4, 4, 4.
Exactly. 4, 4, 4. Okay, then right only.
2, 2, 2.
2, 2, 2.
2, 2, 2. Execute only.
1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1. No permission.
0, 0, 0.
0, 0, 0. Now let's say user has read permission.
Four zero zero.
4, 0, 0. Others has execute permission only. Others has execute permission only.
0 1 0.
0, 1, 0 വരുമോ?
Sorry.
0, 0, 1.
0, 0, 1.
0 1.
Yes. Now let's say full permission.
Which category?
Everybody. Full permission.
RWX, RWX.
7, 7, 7.
7, 7, 7. Full permission to group.
0, 7, 0.
0, 7, 0. Okay. Now you have something known as, okay, so there is this permission, right? 4 to 1. Okay. In this particular permission, okay, in this particular permission, I want to add execute permission to the user. What you will do? How will the octal number will change if I add an execute permission to the user?
5 to 1.
5 to 1. Okay. Okay, fine. Now again, another question. So the current permission is 4 to 1. I want to remove write permission from group. How will be the octal number changed to?
0 to 1.
0 to 1 no. I want to remove write permission from the group, I said.
One zero.
1 no. Current permission in the
401.
401 yes. Okay, current permission is 4 to 1, right? So removing the write permission from group means you will not have write over there, correct? It will become, see, this is what I'm saying you to remove. So what is this? Is it 0 to 1?
401.
401. Okay. Okay, keep that in your mind. Just do in mind. Okay. Fine. Now look at this permission, everybody. Okay. Look at that permission. I want to remove this execute from user.
Zero 4 2.
042. Now I want to add a read permission to the user.
Four 4 2.
442 ano?
542.
5 4 2.
542, right? Yeah. I'm saying from the, when I'm saying when I'm saying a question or I'm asking a question, when you answer it, that is done. Okay. Then again, go back to 142 itself. Okay. Fine. Now look at here in this permission. I want to add read permission to the group.
Six 4 0.
640, right? Exactly. Now let's say I want to add read permission for all the category.
5 5 5.
555. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to I want to remove execute permission from user and group.
Two, two, three.
2, 2, 3, correct? Yeah. Okay. Now, okay, here. Okay, I want to assign read permission to the user.
Five, two, four.
I want to assign read permission to the user. I'm not talking about adding, I'm talking about assign.
Five, two, four.
5 to 4 hour. If I'm
4 to
saying
4.
assigning
4
read
to 4.
permission to the
4
user,
to 4.
4 to 4.
4 to
4
4.
to 4. Okay, how do you come up with 4 to 4? Can anybody explain?
Gotta remove the other permission to assign the permission.
Yes, we have to remove the execute permission from the user if you are assigning. Okay, it will automatically get removed. So after assigning read permission, it will be like this: r hyphen 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 w hyphen r hyphen hyphen. What exactly is this? 4 to 4, right? So assigning is different, everybody. Adding is different. Okay, let's talk again. Over here, I want to assign execute permission to group.
Four, one, one.
Exactly. So you all got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Okay, then let's do this command. Okay, so how do you do it? Chmod and which file you want to change the file permission of. Let's talk about F3. Okay, so can you tell me, I want to remove the write and execute permission from F3 for others. How will be the octal number? I want to remove write and execute from F3 of others. Other category. How is it? Look at the current permission of
Write
F3.
and execute.
Yeah, write and execute both from the others.
6, 4, 4.
How much? How much did you say? Yeah,
6,
Gauri, tell
4,
me.
4.
644, that's correct. Okay, 644 F3. This is the syntax. So you mentioned chmod, the command to change the file ownership, and you mentioned the octal number. What do you want to change it to? And you mentioned the file name. Okay. Okay, anybody else? Are you agreeing on it? 644 will be making the changes or no?
ഏതാന്ന് കൊടുക്കണ്ടേ അതേഴ്സിനാണ് ഓ
അതെ. Yes, exactly. Others-നായിരുന്നു remove ചെയ്യേണ്ടിരുന്നത്. Okay, so 644 is correct or no?
അതല്ല നമ്മള് മുന്നേ ചെയ്താൽ മതി അതേഴ്സിന് കൊടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ ഏതാന്നുള്ളത്
മനസ്സിലായില്ല. എങ്ങനെ?
ആ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ.
Okay, this is clear now. Shall we
yes,
check
sir.
whether the write and execute is removed from the others? Is it got removed? Can anybody check and tell me? For F3, is WNX is removed from others? Yes or no? What do you see? Can't see anything. What, Gauri? Is it got removed? Remove ആയിട്ടില്ല?
Yes, it did.
It is removed, right? Okay, okay. Fine. Now let's say, let's talk about fruits. Okay, there is a directory known as fruits. And what I want you to do is I want to add a execute permission for others. Okay, listen to my question carefully. I want to add a execute permission for others. File name fruits. How will you do that? Chmod. What will be the octal number, guys?
551.
531 no.
551.
551.
1.
Okay, 551 exactly. 551 fruits. So let us check. Okay, so what happened? Execute permission is successfully added to the others of fruits, right? Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to assign. Okay, I want to assign. I want to assign what? Full permission. I want to assign full permission to the directory known as hello for every category.
Chmod
777.
Chmod
777.
777 and the file name, right? Exactly. See, do ls minus l and check. Did I perform ls minus l? Yeah, see, full permission. Okay. Now I want to assign full permission to only user for the same file.
Seven zero zero.
700. That's great. Okay. See? Understood? Is it clear for you how to change the file permission using octal numbers? Everyone?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, great. Okay, now question time. Okay, so whoever can, okay, Gauri, start with you. You ask a question and rest other people answer it. Gauri, can you ask one question? Just like I'm asking you, right? Like that. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Just a minute.
Yeah, sure.
I want to remove write and execute from F1 group.
Okay. So she wants to remove write and execute from group of file F1. Guys, tell me the command.
Seven two seven.
727. Is it correct,
727.
Gauri? Is 727 correct?
Seven 747.
Okay. 7. You said write and execute, right?
Yes.
Yes. So is it 727, guys?
747.
747. Okay, great. Okay, now let's say Sabrina, ask a question. Okay, you want to check? See? Removed, okay? Yeah.
We want to add
Mm-hmm.
write option in group
for group and others in F3 file.
Okay, you want to add a, what did you say?
Write and write in group and others file. Others.
Okay, you want to add write permission for group and
Both.
others of F3, right?
Yes.
Okay. Others. So straightforward answer. Tell me.
666.
666, right? Is it correct, Sabrina?
Yes, yes.
Okay, make sure you check it. Now what? Who else? Maz.
Remove execute permission from group others and users from fruits.
Which one?
Fruits.
Fruits. Okay. You want to remove execute
Yeah.
permission from group and others.
Yeah, group others and users all.
Okay, you want to remove all. Okay, fine. Can anybody tell me the octal number for it?
Five, four.
54 ആണോ? He said remove execute from all the category.
ഏതാ F3 അല്ലേ പറഞ്ഞേ?
F3 അല്ല, fruits അല്ല പറഞ്ഞേ.
Yeah, I said fruits. 440.
440.
440. Is it correct, Maz?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Now who else is pending? Midul?
Remove all the
Yeah,
permission from April.
You want to remove all the permission from
April.
April? Okay. So what is it, guys? So remove all the permission.
0, 0, 0.
0, 0, 0. Yes. CH mode. 0, 0. April. Okay. Fine. Who else is pending? Is there anybody is pending to ask question? Midul, Gauri. Okay. Yadu and Basil. Okay. Yadu.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to add a write and execute permission from hello, like from user and others. Sorry,
You want to
group and
add up
no. Yeah, add from group and others.
user, but in user there is already write and execute, no?
Hello on hello.
Yeah, on hello for user, write and execute is already there, right?
Group and others.
Group and others. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, tell me. CH mode
755.
7.
Execute അല്ലേ പറഞ്ഞത്?
Write and execute ആണ്. Yes.
Write and execute.
55 ആണോ?
33.
33 അല്ലേ?
ആ.
യദു 755 ആണോ 733 ആണോ?
33.
733, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So he said write and execute.
4 plus 1 അല്ലേ?
അല്ല റൈറ്റ് 2 അല്ലേ?
Write 2 അല്ലേ?
Oh, right.
Confusion ആയി.
Okay.
Write 2 അല്ലേ?
അതെ
2 plus 1 അല്ലേ? 2
ആ,
plus 1.
അതെ. 2 plus 1 അല്ലേ?
ഓക്കെ മിസ്റ്റേക്ക് പറ്റി.
Okay. So we will do that. Okay. So you can able to see write and execute has been added to the group and others. Okay, Basil, one last question and we will finish up this topic.
I want to add write and execute to user and group F2.
Write and execute to user and group for which file you talked about?
Not user and group and others for F2. No, sir. Group and others for F2.
F2 ആണോ? Okay.
Yeah, F2.
Okay. Write and execute for group and others for F2, guys. Tell me the octal number.
677.
677. Is that correct, Basil?
Yeah.
Okay, others got it? Okay, so you can able to see that write and execute has been added to the group and others. Okay, right? Okay, so we have learned about how to change the file permission using symbolic way as well as the numerical way. I hope it is clear for you. Okay. Now, as we have learned, now I will actually want you to understand that what exactly read permission is doing, what exactly write permission is doing, and what exactly execute permission is doing on a normal file, right? And also a directory. But I will discuss that when because there is something that I need to discuss about user management. In the user management, I'll be teaching you how can you add user and manage the users. At that time, I will discuss, okay? Right now, we will move on to the next file attribute. Does anybody remember the file attribute in order? If I perform ls minus l, I can see a lot of file permission rights. Yeah, can anybody tell me? What's the first bit belongs to?
File type,
File type. Second,
permissions,
permission. Then
link,
number of links. Okay. What are the two types of links? Two types of links or manda. We discussed like either. The Mithil and the Parandana. I'm not able to hear you, okay?
എനിക്ക് ലിങ്ക് ആന്നുള്ളത് അറിയുള്ളൂ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് രണ്ട് ടൈപ്പ്
Okay. There are two types of links. I think I have discussed this like in the last previous session or something. Gauri, what are the two types of links? You remember soft link and hard link? Yeah, we discussed, no? When we started like file permission, we discussed about number of links. There are two types, soft link and hard link. That's what I'm going to discuss next actually. What about this area? This EC2, EC2 user? What is that attribute?
user and group.
User?
First one is user, second one group.
Yes, first is user ownership and second one is group ownership. What is this one actually?
File size.
File size. What
Type
about
of
this?
the file. Yeah.
Time. Create.
Modified.
Created time
modified
ano?
date,
Last modified time. Yes, exactly. Okay.
Modified.
Exactly. Okay, fine. Now, any which way we discussed about the first bit and the second, first attribute and the second attribute. Now let's move into the third attribute, which is number of links. Okay. So you can see like, multiple numbers over there. Okay. And what exactly that number is actually affecting and all the stuff I'll be discussing. So that is where exactly soft link and hard link is going to make a sense. Okay, fine. Second, let me just. Okay. So first we will discuss about soft links. Okay. Okay, sorry, we'll discuss about hard links first. Okay. First, let me create a file. So what's the command to create a file with the content? Can anybody tell me one of the command?
chmod. Sorry. Echo.
Echo.
Double quote എന്താ കണ്ടന്റ് ഇരുന്നത്?
Double quote എന്താണ് content? Okay, hello world. Let's give it as hello world. Okay.
പിന്നെ ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു എന്താ പറയുക
Greater than symbol. Okay.
ആ
Okay.
പിന്നെ ഫയൽ നെയിം
File. Okay. So let's call it as hello itself. Okay. So this is going to create your file. How can I see the content inside of it? What's the command to see the content inside of the file?
Cat.
Hello. Cat. Okay. Cat.
ഹലോ
Hello. So you can see the content. So not only cat command, there are multiple other command also you can use in order to view the content inside of it. And one thing is more command. Okay, more space, the file name is also going to display you the content. Then there is something known as less command. The same thing. Okay, the job is same. Okay, but you know, less command is going to open the entire file for you and going to show you the content. Now, if I want to escape from it, like what do you call it as, like exit from it, you can, one second. See, you can press Q. It's actually Q. Now see this, less hello. Okay. Okay, yeah, first it was not working. Now it's working. Okay, so you're opening our entire file and seeing the content. Okay, but instead, if you perform more hello or cat hello, is it going inside of the file? No, right? It's just printing the content in the current shell itself. Okay, can you see the difference? Okay, now if you want to learn about like, see, more command is also going to help you when you have like more content. Okay, see, you might have seen in WhatsApp and all, right? There is a character limit that they have kept for long messages, correct? So if I'm sending you a paragraph, okay, let's say like 10 paragraphs, okay, on a personal message or a group message or anything of that sort, there is a limit for that particular chat to show, right? And remaining will be read more, correct? So when you click on read more, then only you will see the rest of the things, correct? Okay, so same here. Let's say you want to read a content page by page. Okay, first content, first paragraph, then click on next and the next paragraph like that. Okay, if you want to see the page by page, then more command is more welcome to do that. Okay, so you can able to actually read like, see this, one screenful at a time. Okay, so this is going to help you like to read one by one. Okay, so if you want, what you can do, create a file, put some like content of 1,000 characters or something of that sort, and try to read it with more. Okay, so that you will understand that it is going to show you one page at a time. Then you will press the space bar in order to see the next. Okay, that's how it is working. Fine, same like that. Less command is actually I showed you as I already mentioned. It's going to read your content by opening that file. Okay, by opening that file. Okay. So those are the two commands which you can make use of in order to see the content inside of a file. Okay. More and less. Cat is also, it's fine. Okay. What we were discussing? Soft link, hard link. Okay. Okay. So please look at the number of links that Hello has. How many number of links Hello has?
1.
1. Okay. Now I'm going to perform you something. Okay. So there is this command to create hard link, everybody. Okay. So the command is ln. ln stands for link. Okay. And I'm going to create a link for which file? Hello. I'm going to create a link for hello. And the link name, what I will be giving is h1. Okay, h1. So ln is a command to create the link. Hello is the file name. For that, I want to create a link. H1 is the link name. Okay, so that's how the syntax will be. So how will it be? ln file name link name. Okay, so I'm talking about hard link. Okay, everybody. So this is how the syntax. Okay, now I'm creating a link known as h1 for which file? Hello. Okay, fine. Yes. Now can you check something? Can you check the number of links of hello? What happened? What happened to the number of links of hello? Check before and after and tell me.
മുന്നേ ഒറ്റ ലിങ്ക് ആയിരുന്നു, ഇപ്പൊ 2 ലിങ്ക്.
Yes. Okay. There was only 1 link by default and now it is 2. Okay. Again.
അല്ല മാഡം, ഇപ്പൊ
Ah.
ഇവിടെ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഫയൽ കൂടി ക്രിയേറ്റ് ഈ h1 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അപ്പൊ എന്താ ഫയലാണോ?
Okay, that's what I'm coming into. H1 is actually a backup file. Okay, I'll tell you the example for it, like the direct definition for it. Okay, see this. ln hello h2. Now what happened? Now what happened?
3 ലിങ്ക് ആയി, പിന്നെ h1 h2 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ഫയൽ ക്രിയേറ്റ് ആയി.
Exactly. Okay. Now, okay, so you can able to see that whenever I am creating more links, the number of links is actually increasing. By default, there is 1. Okay. But upon that, when I am adding additional links, the number of links is getting increased for that file. Right? Okay. Now look at other specification. Okay. Cat h1. Cat h2. What can you see? Did we put any content inside h1 and h2? Did we put any content? No. But we had put some content inside which file? Hello. Okay. So what's happening here? So when you create a link, okay, for your file, automatically every characteristic of that file is getting duplicated. Everything. Okay, do you want to see what is everything? Okay, look at this. So you people now see that the file content is same, correct? Okay. Now let me say change the content. Okay. Content of hello I'm changing. I will make it to hi students. Sorry. Control+T. Okay, now it is hi students. Okay. Now can you check the content of h1? Can you check the content of h2? So what's happening? What happened?
Just take a backup file.
Yeah, like what exactly happened here right now in front of you? What did I do
hello
and what
change
exactly happened?
ഹലോ ചേഞ്ച് ആവുമ്പോ h1 ഉം h2 ഉം കൂടി
Change
ചേഞ്ച്
ആവുന്നുണ്ട്.
ആവുന്നുണ്ട്.
Yes. When you're making the when
Like
you're changing the content of yes, Yadu?
ഇന്റർലിങ്ക് ചെയ്ത പോലെ അല്ലേ? Like
Exactly. So when you're changing something in hello, it is changing in h1 and h2. Why is that? Because h1 and h2 are the links of hello. They are all interconnected each other. Okay. Now shall we try editing the content of h1? Okay. Shall we try? Okay. See this. Cat greater than h1. And we'll change the content to, let's say, welcome. to be solved. I'm changing the content of what? H1, okay? Fine. Now let's go ahead and check what is in H1. Welcome to be solved. What is in H2? Welcome to be solved. What is in hello? Welcome to be solved. So what's happening here? So am I editing the original file? See, you people have seen that when I'm editing the original file, yes, it does reflect in the links. But what did I do now? Did I edit the original file or did I edit the links?
Link file.
Link file. I have edited the link file, but it does reflected in the remaining links, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So what's happening? Your H1, your H2 and hello is interconnected each other. So any changes you make in any of these will be reflected each other. Okay, so this is about content. Okay, now let's talk about the remaining attributes. Can you check the remaining attributes? Look at file permission or file type itself. We'll start with file type. Okay, you can see file type, right? Yeah. So what's the file type? All are hyphen, hyphen, hyphen. Look at the file permission. Can you tell me the octal number for the file permission? What is RW hyphen R hyphen hyphen R hyphen hyphen in octal?
Six four four.
644, right? Okay. Now look at the number of links. Is it the same for H1, H2, hello?
Yes.
What about ECT user, user ownership and group ownership?
Same.
What about the size of the file? What about the size of the file?
Same order.
Same. What about the last modification date and time?
Same.
Same.
That is also same, right? Okay. Now, can we go ahead and change the file permission of one of the file to 600? Okay, let's try doing that. Okay, I'm changing the file permission of, let's say, H2. Okay, see this. What's happening? When I'm changing the file permission of H2, what's happening?
Reflect to all other files.
Like reflecting for the other links as well, correct? Okay, fine. Now let put it back. Chmod 644. Hello. So changing the file permission of one of the link is reflecting the other links too, correct? Okay. And you people know that number of links is getting the same only, because see, let me show you once again. ln H2 space H3. So I'm creating a new link known as H3 for H2. Okay, so H3, you people know that H2 is already a link of hello, right? Okay, they're all interconnected. So even if I'm creating an H3 link for H2, it will also be acting as the same. Now you can able to see that number of links is increased to 4. So the more links you create, the number of links is going to get increased. Okay, fine. Now let me remove one of them, RMH1. Okay, so what's happening? When I'm removing one of the link, what's happening? What happening to the number of links? Check before and after and tell me. When I'm removing one of the links, what's happening to the number of links?
Links
Yes,
the
the number of links is, yes, before it was 4 and now it is 3, correct? Yes. Now, let me also show you something. It's known as Along with the ls command, there is some, I told you, there is some option you can make use of, correct? Okay. There's another option known as, just like you perform ls minus l, there is another option known as -a. Okay, -a, sorry, not a -a, -i. Okay, so I stands for inode number. Inode number is nothing but it's a unique identification number for every file that you create. Okay, so if you create any file, ABCD or any file, there will always be a unique identification number. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the inode number for these files. Okay. Okay, does anybody notice something? Can you check the inode number of H2, H3 and hello?
എല്ലാം സെയിം.
Exactly. Okay. Everything is same. File type is same. File permission is same. Number of link is same. User ownership is same. Group ownership is same. Size of the file is same. Modification date is same. inode number is same. What is the only different thing over here? Can anybody notice that? Or is there one thing that is different?
File name.
Exactly. Okay. So you can say, okay, so ultimately it is targeting backups, but you can say in definition, whenever somebody is asking soft link, sorry, hard link, you can say that a file, different file in the same name, or you can say same name for different file. Sorry, this opposite. I'm sorry. Okay. A particular file has different names. That's all we have right now, because the rest everything is same. Because even when you say inode numbers, which is the unique identification number, that is also same in the sense, okay, which means there is a different file, but there is multiple files is not over there. Only single file is existing, but it has different names. Okay. Fine. So that's how you can say. So it's absolutely, it's so backup. Now see this. I'm removing the original file from which we have created the H1, H2 and H3. Okay. See this. So if you delete the original file, the H1, H2, H3 is deleting. You deleted the original file, right? What, is there anything happened to H2 and H3?
No.
Nothing happened. It's still there, right? Okay. So whenever you can see, when you analyze the file attribute of a file, and when you analyze normal file I'm talking about, okay, directories are different. Okay, directories is different. I'm talking about only normal regular files. Okay. So whenever you can see there is a number over here in the file name or file attribute, what you will understand? Let's say very blankly, someone is giving you this particular attribute in front of you, and they are telling you to explain about that attribute. How will you tell them? If you see 2 over here, what is your understanding on that?
രണ്ട് ലിങ്ക് ഉണ്ട്.
Okay, there is one more link, right? Okay, so you should always tell one more link. Okay, fine. What about this? How many links are there?
6 more.
6 more. Okay, or you can say 6 links, correct? For this particular file. What about this?
98.
98 other links, correct? Yes. So by default, you can see 1, right? Why? Because see, if you're not accessing, will I be, when I say apple, okay, it's always one apple, right? Okay, so is there any term known as 0 apple? Like if the apple doesn't exist, will I say 0 apple? No, right? There is no apple. Correct. Same like that, H2 is existing. Correct. So of course, we should mention the number of links as 1 because it is show its existence. Okay, so if you are not existing, then it is 0. Correct. But H2 is existing. So that's why it is 1. Now when you add, okay, when you add links, when you create links, then it is getting increased. So by default, you will see 1 for sure. because it is actually talking about its existence, that file existence. Okay, fine. Okay, again, what about this? If you can see 78, how many links are there? If you can see 78 in the number of links, what exactly it is explaining?
77 other link.
77 other links. Okay, yes. Okay, so you can keep these anywhere you want. Okay, let's say you want to create okay, can anybody tell me? I want to create a hard link for H2 and the link name is H4, but I want to create inside the test directory. Can anybody tell me how can I do that? I want to create a link. You know what is the command to create a link. And I want to create it for H2. Okay, and the link name is H4, but the H4 should be created inside test directory. Use absolute path, guys. So what's the command for creating a link, everybody? Command for creating a link? Command for creating a link. What is it? ln. I said I want to create a link for which file?
H2.
H2. Yeah, H2. I said I want to create it for H2. Okay. Now I want to create, the link name is H4. Okay, but I want to create H4 inside the test. How will I mention that?
/home/EC2 user.
Atre avashyundo. You're already an EC2 user, no? See, that's also right, but you're already an EC2 user, so what's the relationship between EC2 user and the test?
Child.
Child. Okay, so straightforward. How do you mention? സ്ലാഷിന്റെ ആവശ്യം സ്ലാഷിന്റെ ആവശ്യം ഇല്ല, ബട്ട് സ്ലാഷ് വെച്ച് സ്ലാഷ് വെച്ച് എന്താ സംഭവിക്കാം?
അല്ല, ടെസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് കൊടുത്തോ, ടെസ്റ്റ് ഫോൾഡർ
ടെസ്റ്റ്
ടെസ്റ്റ് സ്ലാഷ് ഫയൽ നെയിം
H4. Okay, so can we check that? Yeah, so ls test. Okay, so ls hyphen test. Sorry. Okay, can you see H4 is got created? Yeah, and look at the number of links. Okay, right? Okay, now look at the number of links here. See, H2, H3, 3, 3. But can you see H4 here? H4 is, we know H4 is there. But can you see H4 here? No. Where exactly H4 is? Inside the test. So you can create link anywhere you want. There is no such restrictions to that. Am I clear with you? Clear? Hard link?
Yes, sir.
നമ്മുടെ കാര്യം നമ്മള് വേറൊരു ഫോൾഡറിൽ നിൽക്കുമ്പോഴാണോ ആ പാത്ത് പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കുന്നത്? ഇപ്പോഴും ചെറിയ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ.
See, what did I do over here is I created a directory known as test. Okay, Where exactly? In which directory are you right now?
EC2 user.
EC2 user. So I created EC2 user child, which is nothing but test. And I said, I want to create a link known as H4, where inside the test. That's why we clearly mentioned test/H4. Okay. And you people already know what is a command for creating a link, which is ln, right? Okay. And I said already, I want to create a link for H2 and the link name is H4, but I want to create inside test. That's what I mentioned. So that is why clearly we mentioned ln, file name is H2, link name is H4, but I mentioned exactly where I want to create H4 inside the test. Okay. മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയണോ? ക്ലിയർ ആണോ?
അതായത് ഇതിപ്പോ വേറൊരു ഫോൾഡറിന്റെ നമ്മളിപ്പോ EC2 യൂസറിലല്ലാണ്ട് വേറെ ഫോൾഡറിൽ നിൽക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അവിടെ നിന്നാണോ?
You can give, yeah, you can give, let's say slash, okay, there's root directory. Inside root directory there is a directory known as etc. Okay, and inside that you want to create, what you can give? You can give slash etc, okay, slash H4. Okay, so no matter where you are, currently you are an EC2 user, that's why we performed a test slash. If you know that it is somewhere else, mention, yeah, no problem.
അതായത് വേറെ ഫോൾഡറിലെ കാര്യങ്ങളിലാണെങ്കിലാണ് absolute path കൊടുക്കേണ്ടത്.
Yes, if you see, because we already know that the relationship between EC2 user and test are parent-child. Okay, so do you need to mention home slash EC2 user, then test, then slash H4? Is it required? Because you're already in EC2 user, so that's why it is better to simplify, right? It's better to simplify rather than you writing all this slash home slash EC2 user. That's why. But if you write this, is it wrong? Is it wrong writing this?
No.
Not at all. It will also do the job, but we are simplifying it. That's it. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So I want you to practice hard link as well as the changing the file permission using numerical method. Okay, and soft link we'll be discussing the next session. Okay, right? Okay. One second before you go, let me just take your attendance, okay? Okay. Okay, fine, guys, please practice and come. And we'll discuss the remaining things tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.